Hello guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to recover Instagram account. For that, open up your Instagram app on your phone. After you open up your app, on right hand side you'll see the option of forgot password. Tap on it. Now you'll need to enter your username or email or your phone number. For now, I'm going to enter my username. After done, tap on next. Now Instagram will send you an email with a link to get back your account. Tap on OK and open up your Gmail. There you can see the option of reset your Instagram password. Tap on it. Now you'll need to set a new password and retype the password to confirm it. After you're done, tap on reset password. Now go back to your Instagram app. Enter your phone number, username or email. And now enter your new password. After that, tap on login. This way you can easily recover your Instagram account. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.